Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unlimited Job Alerts. Here are the latest off-campus drives and recruitment updates for 2026 graduates.
First company is CGI Inc. They are hiring for Apprentice, Java and Python. Qualification: any graduate, technical preferred. Location: Bangalore. Freshers can apply. Next is Honeywell. Role: Application Engineer I. Engineering degree required. Freshers eligible. Location: Pune. Remote. Apply before 31st May 2026. Third company is Virtusa. Role: Java full stack developer. Freshers eligible. Location: Pune. Great opportunity for developers. And finally, Siemens. Role: software developer, train IT. Bachelor's or master's degree. Freshers and experienced both can apply. Location: Bangalore, Pune.